So this is the road. You can see. Now this is where we're coming to. So I thought I'd show you what you should see. So this is Lekki Avana. This is one of the most talked about estates in Lagos currently. It is definitely along the Ibeju-Lekki Road, and it still has proximities close to the Coastal Road. And you already know what's happening right now in the Coastal Road and along Ibeju-Lekki. That's the new Lagos. See, Lekki Phase 1, yes, it rained and it's still raining, but trust me, if you want to be part of smart investors that will definitely make their investment speak volume, my best guess is you should invest in Ibeju Lekki Axis. And where else can you invest if not in Lekki Havana? When phase one came out, it was sold out within a short period of time. And now phase two, this one you're saying, trust me, it's sold out already. Just few units of bungalows left. But there's a phase two extension not far from where I'm standing. I can literally see the signpost from here. Now, I'm not here to talk long talk. All I want to say is be a part of smart investors, invest along where billionaires and investors are making it big. They said if you want to know where real estate is actually making ground, look for where people are running to and join them. And where are people going to right now? They're coming to Ibejuleki, they're coming to Ebe Access, they're coming along the coastal road. So do not lose out on this opportunity. Don't be like I would always say my dad, he always hit himself for that. Oh, I should have bought when Ikoyi was still way cheaper. But now it's your time to make a smart move and a right choice and not to have pity milk afterwards. So give see, this is the room, like one of the rooms in Lekki Havana Bungalow. Like I said, this particular unit is already sold out. See, I have to actually say something, and I would say it's really good. When you are getting something, and like they will say, make sure that you're getting value of your money. When you invest in Lekki Havana, you will be getting the value of your money. Why am I saying so? I mean, who would want to give you this on luxury? Like, take a look first. Now, this is one of the rooms. My phone is not even doing justice, but all I can say is you've got a comfy, a beautiful space. Are you trying to do anything content? Are you trying to just live la vida loca? Like you have your own walk in. Oh my God! Now this is your bathroom space, and you even have spots where you can actually keep things for yourself. Have you seen this? Are you seeing this? This is what you get for investing in Lekki Havana. What? Whoa. And then here is your wardrobe. Listen, a lot of investors took advantage of this and they just decided to like make it a good mark for them. Don't just wait, don't just buy, buy luxury. This is you buying luxury, and this is me here in luxury. I mean, what are you waiting for? If you're still sleeping on this, you are losing money. Phase one is already sold out. Phase two is about to get sold out. So you can actually do your initial deposit of 10 million naira. And trust me, you already get an allocation. Yep. And then they start building for you. You will get the completion of your project. But the best and the most important part is make the move. Take the step. This is all. I would really love my house to actually look so fine. I'd really love it to actually speak volume. Like when I want to do whatever I want to do, like my content and all of that, I would want to pick a house in which I would resonate with. And can you see what I'm seeing? Can you see what I'm seeing? This is just a part of the kitchen. I'm trying to get like, okay, take me out of the. Can you see? Can you really see? Can you see? This is just a kitchen space. I'm back here, and I just showed you a phase two of the Lekki Avana bungalow and resort. And here I am. We're actually in front of the phase two extension, just as I mentioned that we are going to see. As you can see, they're still constructing. There are much work to be done, but you can practically see. And just opposite Lekki Avana Phase 2 extension, we have this estate called Ajay, and right now they are actually having their allocation. You see silent money, that's real estate. Afterwards, so do not give me a call today. Let's see how we make this possible for you. Happy new month though.